Hi everyone, so let's look at how I trade. Of course, this is not advice to buy or sell anything. I'm just showing you how I trade. So at this point, looking at Bitcoin USD, so I do have two levels here. This is 5-day chart. So it's pretty much good time to buy right now and get off at 30,800 or 31,000. So after that, you will see, because if it goes up, it will go up to the next level. And then the next level will be 36,000. So this is the next level. So how do I know? I just look at the past. And also, if I look at the 8-day, then we can see, yeah, this can be the next level. However, it can also go up and down all the time in between these two lines. So now it did give you bullish notification. So right now you buy at 26,000, you get off at 31. Again, you wait until it drops. But if it does close really above 31,000, then you know the next level are 33 and 36. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do, right? So let's look at gold. So if I look at the gold, and I'm gonna look at the gold at 8 days because I like this chart. Um, so what is happening here is, you see how it did try to twist to bearish, but then it changed its mind. It says, nope, I am bullish. So we have both clouds on 8 days. They're really bullish. So a month ago I said gold will be 2200 by March next year. So it's pretty much is going to happen as soon as it closes above 2042. So it has to close either on 8 days, you can look at 5 days as well. You see how on 5 days it's going up and down, up and down. And then on 3 days it's also kind of sliding down, and it indicates that, yeah, it can dip again until 1840. But as I said, I am looking. So if you want to get in, the best thing is to go to, let's say, 12 hours or 11-hour chart and see um, when both Ichimokus are up. So this one is up, long term is up, short term is bearish, and it's in the cloud, so it has to be above. So once it's both are above the cloud, so they are both bullish, then of course I would buy. And right now it looks like some kind of a, yeah, it looks like some kind of a, I don't know, head and shoulder maybe. Like for example here, it was like a head and shoulder, but then it didn't really honor that at all. Because if this was a head and shoulder, like a head, left, right shoulder, and if it went down, then it should scroll all the way down, but it didn't. So you cannot really rely on those old theories and things like that. So just look at the long term. So for the long term, it's kind of clear. Yeah, it's going sideways. Everything looks fine and bullish. Um, yeah, right now it might slide to a little bit right down, but it's not a biggie. But as I said, it is going to 22 according to me, because that's what I'm counting in a few months. And my favorite is the XRP USD. And this one, so for this one, if I look at like a 12-hour chart, let me see. So I do have alignment, you see. Alignment is based on the Fibonacci. So when my Fib and these candles align, like opening and closing, then I know this is the correct fib, so then I can implement my golden rules. So what is happening here? Okay, so we need to look here at this level here, obviously 0.5236. As soon as it closes above, it's going to 0.54. My long prediction for this one is $4 by March 23rd, 2024. So how did I come up with that? So it's basically, I'm going to remove everything, remove drawings, and just look at what is happening, right? So here it is, a little bit of this chart that I have. I don't have much here. So the maximum was 3.5. So in here, you see how it goes up and down, and now it gives you this peaks, right? It says I want to go up, and then it scrolls down. I want to go up, and then it goes up like crazy, right? So in this case, like if you were to like look at this from this point of view, then you would notice that it sits at this level here. So this is the key level, 0.942 or 0.114 reversed. So it's this level here. And it tried to break below, in which case the XRP would totally break, but it never happened. But it tried for months and it didn't happen. So now it pulled up, okay? So once it pulls up, the first level that it's reaching is $2.5. And then, of course, I can go further and further if I switch my fib all the way up here, and there is a 127. So at this level here, it's $4.48. So I said $4. So there is a really good chance once this hits all the way above $1.20, then then there is no stopping for this pair. So that's my prediction for XRP. So right now you should load up. I mean, you shouldn't. Don't listen to me. I did. I just bought a little bit. Have fun.